this video will be talking about how you can use your previous content to promote your current services. It can be either your free giveaway or maybe you have an active offer, depending on your situation. So we are on Melanie's More page, and on 27th of December, Melanie has a global Big Vision Board Day. And at the moment, what Melanie can do is ramp up content that would talk about why it's important to do Vision Board Day. So instead of saying, come and join my Vision Board Day, Melanie can craft a content that would educate people why it's important, participate, and why her methods are different. So I mentioned before about Creator Studio. So Creator Studio will be either here on your panel when you are on your page, or sometimes if you never used Creator Studio before, you need to click on More and you need to click Publishing Tools, and then Creator Studio will be on this side. So we go to Melanie's Creator Studio, and now instead of looking for particular dates, we look for a particular word. So if I put vision board, it will bring me all the posts that has vision, and I know that Melanie has Big Vision TV, so all I do is click the word board. Okay, and for instance, this one is good for 12th of December when it's full moon. So, and Melanie can redo the content. So here, instead of leading with I led Global Vision Board Day, she can say one of the exercises on a Global Vision Board Day is about letting go. Today is a full moon. It's a perfect time to use this exercise. And so basically, this is what Melanie can use like this. Okay, one of the examples, just take the same content and it's for full moon date on 12th of December. One is. Then what Melanie can do from this, and this is how you recycle, this can be a quote post. Commit to your future you, commit to your vision, for instance. This is a quote, and it can be with photo of Melanie, and it can be posted on any of the days. Okay, so this is an example. We sometimes share golden nuggets that we have forgotten. Okay, so now another example. So this is the story that Melanie said. When I did my first vision board workshop nearly 7 years ago, I had no follow-up process with my clients. And then, so basically you can use everything, okay? But this is enough. So what you start with, I'm assured that there is no follow-up process. And Melanie can continue. What about you? Like, do you do vision boards? What do you do with them? And then she can mention on 27th of December, I will take to my special process that I've now been using for many years with my clients. Okay, then when we talk about vibrational alignment, so Melanie can create a separate post which will be much shorter than this one, and saying let's talk about vibrational alignment. And here some of this information can be turned into tips, saying when you don't master your vibrational alignment, you will keep stuck in the past and unable to move forwards towards your vision, no matter how many vision boards you make. I'm taking you on 27th of December through a specific process that will allow you to be in alignment with your future vision, something like that. And these are short snippets you can recycle from your previous posts. I'm sure all of you have similar posts, unless you've started recently. I hope it helps and it will give you some of the ideas how you can craft the content in order to make this process quicker. So what you do, you just take this one of these paragraphs, you copy, you can put it in a separate document, or you can put here, for instance, I'm just using this one. So ideas for posts. Okay, you save and hold on. Ideas for posts. You save and then you put here in description. So this is if you want to keep everything in one place, and you can change the color, and you know that you will come back and talk elaborate that post. Okay, this is how you can work with what you already have. Hope it helps. Any questions, please let me know.